Solving the syllogisms model 1 questions. Here are the directions. Given below are two statements followed by two conclusions. Disregarding the commonly known facts, taking the two statements to be thoroughly true, mark your answer. As I have told you already, you have to disregard the commonly known facts, consider that the statements are 100% true, and then derive the information from the statements. Okay. So you need to choose one if conclusion one follows. You need to choose two if conclusion two follows. You need to choose three if both one and two follows. Okay. Next, four, either one or two follows. What is the meaning of either one or two, guys? Either the first one is true or the second one is true. Okay. Uh, Fifth one, none follows. Guys, let me help you to understand this. None follows. Okay. None follows means none of the conclusions follows. That means neither one nor two. None follows means none of the conclusions follows. Okay. That means neither one nor two. Got the point? None of this is different, guys. Okay. None of this means none of the mentioned options. You can see none of this in the options also. None of these means none of the mentioned options. Okay. If only one follows means conclusion one follows. Only two follows means conclusion two follows. If both one and two follows means like both the conclusions are true. Either one or true means either the first one is true or the second one is true. Okay. Next, none follows means none of the conclusions follows. It is not none of the options. If it is none of the options, they'll give none of these or none. None follows is nothing but neither one nor two follows. Okay. Got the idea, guys? If yes, please raise the hands so that we can start solving the questions of model 1. As I have told you, I am not expecting the correct answer for the question, guys. I just need responses from you. Whether it is right or wrong, we are like, please don't get disappointed. As I told you, this concept is little tricky, and Infosys is the only company which will release syllabus to the students directly and challenge them to prepare for that. I'll tell you the syllabus now. Data interpretation 5 questions, data sufficiency 5 questions. Next, this concept, syllogisms. Syllogisms 5 questions. So in the logical section, they have 15 questions, guys. So 5 questions from data interpretation, 5 questions from data sufficiency, and 5 questions from syllogisms. Okay. And quant questions, they have only 5 quant questions, and other puzzle questions are there, only 5 quant questions. 5 quant questions also, they'll release the topic names, but they'll challenge the students to make sure that students are clear about those concepts. Okay. So syllogisms, it's very important topic, guys. Any of the examination, if you are going to take, basic logical question that you can expect is number series, coding, decoding, and the syllogisms. Okay. Please don't take don't take a chance. And of course, with one class or of information, you can't exactly understand the complete outline of the syllogisms concept. Just try to understand the concept and practice more questions of syllogisms until you get the concept of the question. So please raise the hands, guys. Shall we start solving model questions of syllogisms? Yes or no? Okay. Whether it's right answer or wrong answer, please don't hesitate to share. I will help you out to think in the correct way, guys, because it's all about your thought process. If you share, then only I can understand that in which way you are answering the question. We can save time. So just respond based on that. I can understand in which way you are thinking about the question. So we can solve the question soon. Okay. As this is the first question I'm helping out to solve, guys. Take this logic as input for the next question to solve. Okay. Two statements followed by two conclusions. Statements, though they are out of logic, you need to take that they are true. Conclusion, you should not think anything. Only information from the statements you need to say that whether they are true or not. Okay. So for that, we have chosen Venn diagram method. All benches are chairs. I'm just taking the first letter of the word, guys. All benches are chairs means benches circle is completely inside the chair circle. Done. Now all the chairs are stools. All the chairs are stools means chair circle should be lying completely inside the stool circle. Please don't draw one more chair circle and keep that in the stool circle. Already here chair circle is there. So just keep the chairs circle inside the stools circle. Okay. Follow it once again, guys. All the benches are chairs means benches circle should come inside the chair circle. Next, all the chairs are stools means already chair circle is there. So please don't draw one more chair circle and keep that in stools. Just whatever the chair circle is there, that you please keep it inside the stool circle. Okay. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the statements. Now please go through the conclusion. Okay. What's the first conclusion? All the benches are stools. Okay. The meaning of all the benches are stools. Benches should lie inside the stool circle. Okay. Guys, please observe the diagram and tell me whether benches circle is inside the stool circle or not. Benches circle is inside the stool circle or not? Respond. Please respond. Benches circle, this is the benches circle. Okay, benches circle is completely inside the stool circle. Please don't say that ma'am benches circle is inside the chair circle and chair circle is inside the stool circle. Okay, overall you can find benches circle inside the stool circle. That means all the benches are inside the stools, so all the benches are stools. That conclusion is correct. Okay. Next, second one. All the stools are benches. What is the meaning of all the stools are benches, guys? If you have a conclusion as all the stools are benches, stools circle should lie completely inside the benches circle. Okay. Can you see stool circle inside the benches circle in the diagram? Can you see stool circle inside the benches circle in the diagram? No. So this conclusion you can't see in the diagram. So this conclusion is not true. Only conclusion 1 is true. Conclusion 1 means 1 follows. So 1 means you need to pick for 1. 1 is given for B. So answer is option B. Okay. It is not at all difficult to understand, guys. Okay. It's all about your thought process. If you think that it's little clumsy or difficult to understand, you can feel the same throughout this concept. But once if you start understanding and then draw the Venn diagram, please draw the Venn diagram, guys. Just by looking at statements and conclusions, you will never figure out the answer. Please draw the Venn diagram. If you use pen paper, then only you will get answers for this topic. Okay. Trust me, I'm repeating it once again. This is the easy topic out of all the logical topics you have. Okay. Whether like whatever it might be the topic, this is the easy topic if you understand the pulse of the question. And this is going to be the tricky one if you if you are not following the exact process of solving. I'm telling you the exact process of solving. Draw the Venn diagram. Whatever you can see in the Venn diagram, that conclusion tick, and then the next conclusion you can give a cross. That means whichever conclusion is following, you can mark for the conclusion and eliminate the next conclusion. Okay. Try to draw Venn diagram. How many ever Venn diagrams you draw for the question, that is a better understanding way of the question, I could say. Okay. This is the only possible diagram for this statements, guys. You can expect a few more possible diagrams depending upon the statements. But all benches are chairs means benches are inside chairs. All chairs are stools means chairs are inside stools. That's it. So that is the only possible diagram. From that, benches is inside stools. So conclusion 1 follows. Stools are benches. So stools are not inside benches. So second one is false. Okay. So what's the answer for the question, guys? As only conclusion 1 follows, I need to pick one. 1 is given for option B. So option B is the answer. Is that clear, guys? If yes, please raise the hands. Can I expect answers from you for the next question? Yes or no? All the 48 students who are listening to the class, can you please raise the hand? I am trying hard to explain you and help you. Please respond, guys. Already IA exam is done means it doesn't mean that you don't have to listen to the classes and all. This is very, very important and you don't have time also. From August, companies will start coming and recruiting students. You have so many things to balance, your internals, externals, lab exams, mid exams, external exams, and then one more thing, mini project, main project. internship, and the placement thing. So training will help you whenever it is happening. Please do concentrate. Don't think about other things when you are in class. That's all I can tell you that. After that, no one can explain you. Now only please try to listen to the basics. At that point of time, it will be easy for you to revise once and then solve according to the company syllabus. Okay. This is the second question. I'll draw the diagram. You please draw the diagram and check whether your thought process of solving is the same or not. Okay. All the boxes are covers. All the boxes are covers. So boxes circle should lie completely inside the covers circle. Done. Next. All the covers are bits. Already cover circle is there. No need to draw one more cover circle. So all the covers are bits means cover circle is completely inside the bits circle. Done. So conclusions, some beds are boxes. So some beds are boxes. Perfectly correct, right? Guys, all the boxes are beds. Boxes circle is completely inside the bed circle overall if you see. That means there is some connection or there is some relation or there is some intersection between boxes and beds. Okay. So some beds are boxes is correct. Whenever you see the statement some beds are boxes, please don't feel that remaining beds are not boxes. You should not think about the negative sense when they're speaking about the positive sense. Okay. As I told you, it's all about your thought process. Whatever they are telling you, just concentrate on the thing. Don't think about the exactly opposite version of the conclusion. Some beds are boxes means, is there some intersection part or there between beds and boxes? Is there some relation or not? Is there some common thing or not? Yes. Some beds are boxes means they just want to tell that they two are related. Okay. That means conclusion one follows because beds and boxes circle is having some intersection. Okay. Next, no bed is a box. This is absolutely false, right? Why? Because boxes circle is completely inside the beds circle. Okay. No bed is a box means they should not have any intersection of circle or they should not have any common thing. But I can see here completely boxes is inside the beds. So there must be relation between beds and boxes. Only conclusion one is true. Conclusion one means you need to pick one. One is given for C. So what's the answer for the question, guys? Option C. Is that clear? If yes, please raise the hands. Any doubts, you can share it in the chat box here. Only practice can help you to feel confident regarding these quant questions, guys. Okay. Next. Here is the next one. All chocolates are sweet. All chocolates are sweet means chocolate circle. Okay, let me take it as little big. It is too small. Okay. So all the chocolates are sweet. Okay. This is chocolate circle, guys. All the chocolates are sweet means chocolate circle should come under sweet circle. Okay. Please don't have a doubt regarding the diagram of the question, guys. Chocolates is a category. Sweet is a category. In the circle of sweets, all the chocolates are sweet means chocolate is one of the category which is coming under sweets. That's it. Okay. And don't compare it to the generally known facts, consider whatever they have given is 100% true. Sweet is a category which is having Venn diagram of circle sweets. Next, all the chocolates are sweets means chocolates category will be a part of sweets category. That's it. Okay. So that is completely lying inside the sweet circle. Next, Sprite is a chocolate. So this is chocolate circle, guys. Sprite is a chocolate means Sprite will lie completely inside the chocolate circle. Why? Because statement is saying Sprite is a chocolate. Okay. I'm repeating it once again. All the chocolates are sweet means chocolate circle should come inside the sweet circle. That is done. Next, Sprite is a chocolate means Sprite should be there inside the chocolate. Why? Because Sprite is a part of chocolates category. Okay. Now check for the conclusions. You please answer which of the conclusions follows and what is the answer option for the question. I have drawn the Venn diagram. Please observe the Venn diagram and tell me which conclusion is true and what is the respective answer option for that conclusion. 90% of the answer I have given you clearly, guys. Finally, 186, and then who is the other one? So many students are answering. 164, okay. 126, Ramya, 182, 164, and Rupesh. Superb, guys. Now you are on the track. Don't hesitate to share the answer options. Sprite is a sweet. Sprite is a sweet means Sprite should lie completely inside the sweet circle. So overall, Sprite is inside the sweet circle or not? Yes. So conclusion one is perfectly true, 100%. Okay. All the sweet are chocolates. All the sweet are chocolates means what is the diagram, guys? Sweets should lie completely inside the chocolates. Okay. But that information you can't see in the diagram. Actually, chocolates are inside sweets. Okay. So all the sweets are chocolates means second conclusion is completely false. So only first conclusion follows. First conclusion follows means you need to pick one. One is given for C. So what is the answer for the question, guys? Answer for the question is nothing but option C. Got the logic of the question? If yes, please raise the hands, guys. Remaining students, you also please try to give answer option for the question. Don't hesitate to share whether it's right or wrong. You can learn in the class when you share the thought process of you to solve the question, guys. Okay. Next one. I'll help you to draw the diagram. After the diagram has been drawn, you need to say which conclusion is true, which conclusion is false. Okay. So let's start now. Sarika is a cricket player. So this is a cricket player circle, guys. Sarika is a cricket player. So Sarika is inside the cricket player circle. Okay. What is the meaning of the statements? There is a category of cricket players. In the category of cricket players, Sarika is one of them. Okay. The circle of cricket players represents that that is a category of cricket players, and out of that, Sarika is one of the cricket player. Okay. Next. Cricket players are intelligent. Already cricket player circle is there. Cricket players are intelligent means cricket player circle is completely lying inside the intelligent circle. Okay. Now conclusions. What is the first conclusion? All the intelligent persons play cricket. Okay. Guys, whenever you see all the intelligent persons play cricket, that conclusion, intelligent circle should be lying completely inside the cricket circle. But you can't see the same in the diagram, right? Yes or no? Can you see intelligent person's circle lying inside the cricket circle? No. All the intelligent persons play cricket means that is completely false, because this meaning will tell that intelligent circle is completely lying inside cricket circle, but that is not there in this diagram. So first conclusion is false. Next, Sarika is intelligent. Sarika is completely inside the intelligent circle, right? Yes, perfect. So Sarika is intelligent is 100% true. I can tell you that only conclusion 2 follows. That means you need to pick 2. 2 is given for which option? Okay, this time they have given in an order. Happy. Option B. Okay. Rupesh and 164. Superb, guys. If I give you some time to think and answer the question, 100% every student in the class can answer this question, guys. Total 50 students are there. All the 50 students in the class can answer the question. But maybe you can take more time while you are solving the questions, because this is the first time you are experiencing with this concept of solving. Okay. Sarika is a cricket player means she is a part of total cricket team category. So cricket players are intelligent means that circle is completely inside the intelligent circle. And conclusions, all the intelligent persons play cricket means intelligent circle should lie completely inside the cricket circle. That is not possible here. So that is 100% false. And next, Sarika is intelligent. Sarika is completely inside the intelligent circle. So that is true 100%. Only conclusion 2 follows means you need to pick 2. 2 is given for option B. Answer is option B. Clear, guys? If yes, please raise the hands. Any doubts, you can share it here in the chat box. Okay, done. Thank you. Check for the next one. All bags are made of leather. All bags are made of leather. Okay. So first you draw the leather circle. Leather circle will say that whatever is the category of items which are made of leather, that you need to put inside the leather circle. Okay. All the bags are made of leather. All the bags are made of leather means as bags are made of leather, bag circle will come completely inside the leather circle. I'm repeating it once again, guys. Please check for that. All the bags are made of leather means bags will come completely inside the red leather circle. Why? Because leather circle will include items whatever is made of leather. Okay. As bags are made of leather, bags is inside the leather circle. Okay. That is the first statement. Next, the second statement. No leather is steel. No leather is steel. Okay. Guys, this is the representation we have taken to represent whenever two parameters are not at all having any relation. No leather is steel means I just connected the leather circle and steel circle with a line and then gave a cross mark over there. No leather is a steel means there is no relation between leather and steel. Now you please tell me, if there is no relation between outer circle of leather and steel, will there any relation between the inner circle of bags and steel, guys? Outer circle is not at all having any relation. Okay. Can you say that is there any relation between the inner circle of steel and steel and then packs? Yes or no? Did you got the point, guys? Outer circle itself, there is no relation between leather and steel. How come they have relation between backs and steel? Backs is inside the leather, right? Outside itself, you are not allowed to enter. Then how come you can enter the inside and have relation with the back? There is no relation, right? Students, are you understanding? Yes or no? So if you see in this question, outside circle is nothing but leather circle, guys. Okay. Leather circle is not having relation with the steel. That means inside back circle will not have a relation with the steel. Okay. That's pretty clear. Why? Because outside circle is not at all having relation with the steel means inside part will never have a relation. Outside itself, that parameter will be blocked. It can't enter inside and have a relation with bags. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion 1, no bag is a steel. That is 100% true, right? If there is no relation between leather and steel, bag and steel are also not having any relation. Okay. That means no bag is a steel is 100% correct. Okay. And please check for the second conclusion. Second conclusion is nothing but no steel thing is a bag. Okay. Guys, can you remember the second statement I have given you? No A is a B. No B is a A. That means they both want to tell that there is no relation between A and B. Okay. If that is the case, second conclusion is also true. Why? Because they are saying no bag is steel. That means bag and steel they don't have any relation. Next, no steel thing is bag. That means steel and bag they don't have any relation. Okay. That means can I say both the conclusions are true and I need to pick for 3. 3 is given for option C. Rupesh, superb Rupesh. Option C, 3. Got the point, guys? Leather is not having relation with the steel. So absolutely bag and steel are also having no relation. As we have read that no A is a B means no B is a A. Both are the same and they want to tell that there is no relation between A and B. You please follow the same thing here. No bag is a steel means no steel thing is a bag is also correct. Okay. They just want to tell that there is no relation between bag and steel. That's it. Clear with the point, guys? If yes, please raise the hand so that we can go for the next question. Okay. Here is the next one. All books are pens. All books are pens means book circle will lie completely inside the pens circle. Okay. Next. All pens are pencils. All pens are pencils means pens circle is already there. So no need to draw one more pens circle. You can draw all the pens inside the pencils. Okay. Use pen and paper, draw the Venn diagram, then only you can understand. Now, all the books are pens means book circle is completely lying inside the pen circle. Okay. All the pens are pencils means pencil circle is lying completely inside the pencils circle. Okay. Now check for the conclusions. All the books are pencils. All the books are pencils means books circle should lie completely inside the pencil circle. Yes, that is absolutely true. I can say that the first conclusion is 100% true. Next, second one. Some pencils are pens. All the pens are inside pencils, right? I told you already, some pencils are pens means they just want to tell that there is some relation or there is some intersection or there is some connection between pens and pencils. Absolutely, there is some connection between the pens and pencil circle. So some pencils are pencils, correct. So both the conclusions are true. That means you need to mark for 3. 3 is given for C. Again, it is